Boom, hey, what's up my friend, it's Cameron Malcolmson. In this video I just want to show you the fastest way to build yourself a direct response website. And the reason why I wanted to do this video, I kind of thought to myself, whenever I got started online, it was like I didn't know these strategies that I'm going to share with you, and it was something I thought back on. And it was like, whenever I seen it was like a PDF and someone gave it away when I first got started, and I remember what it was. It was like the conversion checklist from a Shopify store, and I went and I just went and opted in because I just needed that thing. And whenever I think back on it now, I didn't even know how them guys made that type of website. I thought I didn't know how to do it. I still barely didn't know how to deliver a PDF to someone whenever they opted in the email list, and I didn't even really know about having to build an email list either. So what I'm about to share with you in the next coming video is something that I thought that if someone watched it, that it would really help them to be able to build themselves a direct response website as fast as possible. And that there. But like I said before, if you want to learn any more, you should definitely go to check out CameronLimitless.com and enjoy the video, my friend. See you there. Boom, what's happening my friend, it's Cameron Malcolmson here, and in this video I just wanted to show you the fastest way to build a direct response website. And if you want to follow along with me, you can click the link below and you'll get the exact same website that I'm about to show you here now. So if you click the link below, you'll get to this page eventually, and the goal of this page is to collect an email address. And you can see here, if I go to view a funnel, you can see here that I'm giving away this PDF for in exchange of an email address. And one of the things I'm going to show you how to do is how to create this PDF, so you can make whatever PDF that you want to give away. And then I'm going to tell you the most important part that you shouldn't miss when you're setting up your entry funnel. So let's see here. When you click the link below, you'll get this exact same entry funnel, and where we're going to go and create the PDF is in Canva. So you can see here, you go whatever size you want it, and then you can save it as a PDF, save that just as a cover. It's pretty simple to use. If you go to canva.com, just there, and you'll be able to create the PDF and cover photo, or you can go and pay someone else to do it if you don't want to make it either. The next thing then is you're going to go to, let's see, your ClickFunnels account. So once you get your free share funnel, you can get the ClickFunnels account, and if you go to account settings just up here, and then you go to digital assets, and here is where you'll be able to upload your PDF so that you're able to deliver it. And then you're going to go into the funnel page, and once you've got your cover and your PDF made and it's uploaded into your account, you can go into this page here. It's really easy. Just to click here, change your image, upload your new one that you made and create it on Canva. And then once your PDF's uploaded, you just go to general, and you can see here digital asset. So anytime that someone opts in, they'll send an email with your lead magnet, and your lead magnet can be a PDF, it can be video, it can be audio, any type of these things you can give away to someone who's your ideal customer, and you can go here so that they can download it and get it sent to them to their email address. Now, another thing that you can do is when you're in this part of your account, your digital assets, you can actually grab a shareable link. So anytime you share that link, it's like a hosted PDF on the internet, so that you can see a copy asset path, and you can pretty much use that link and people can go there. Kind of like this here. And when I started, I didn't know how I could do this here, and I really couldn't find anywhere either that you could do this type of thing, like make a PDF, like a clickable link for the PDF. And this is the best way that I found to be able to do it. And as long as you can make your cover on Canva and make the PDF, you can just upload it into the share funnel I give you below, change a few of the words, and then you get the thank you page as well, and you can do whatever you want on the thank you page. So I just want to show you let's see some examples. So I was on YouTube there and I typed in fitness, and this was one of the first ones that came up, and I went to the link and below the video, and there was thousands of views under that video, and this is like a little landing page. So it's pretty cool. And then here's another one. This guy's called Ty Lopez, if you don't already know him. His is his landing page. He asked him, what's your biggest frustration? And you can do something similar to this here, or using this here format, or you could really, model whatever you want to model that's out there. Here's another example. Now it says exclusive case study for high ticket entrepreneurs only ... Want a superstar salesperson within the next 7 days. You could just write your own little headline and be able to really start and generate leads for your online business. Because if you're spending money on traffic right now and you're not doing any capturing at all, it's not really a good model to follow. Now, this is why I want to give you that there little direct response landing page, and you can go ahead and build something like this here. Have a wee video. Maybe you don't want a video. You know what I mean? Let's see. I think more for an opt-in. You don't want any of this here kind of stuff. You want your opt-in page to be something simple, that it's not going to scare people away. Something simple where it's like, this is what it is, this is how you get it, this is what you do. So this is kind of like the path you need to follow. So what is it? What did I have to do? And how did I get it? So let's see some more here. The two-step process our marketing company uses to get paid by small businesses to help them advertise their services without big startup costs or crazy tech skills. Click below to reserve your spot now. See, the wee countdown clock. You can add all these types of stuff onto your page, whatever you want. And when you click that link below, you'll get the page right away. So this is pretty much the fastest way to build a direct response website right now. And this is the video I had for you, my friend. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll just show you a couple of other wee example ones here. This is another wee one. So you could build something like this here for yourself and your own business. The free on-demand training, there are no costs, but this will be available for 48 hours only. The 3-step system I used to auto-recruit my downline of big producers without friends or family even knowing I'm in network marketing. See, you can do something like this here. You can do all these types of things. What does this here one? Are you flushing part of your Facebook ad spend down the toilet? Discover the 3 weird mistakes 99% of Facebook advertisers are making. Like this one's more generic one. Maybe if you had some different ideas or something, because this is more of like a fitness one, and it says join the challenge, so it's kind of like a little challenge. Whatever it is, and you know, people love a challenge. And anyways, I hope you enjoyed this one. This is the fastest way to build a direct response website, my friend. Have a great day. If you haven't already, like I said before, make sure and grab the share funnel below, so you can build it as fast as possible. See you there.